What am I to you?
You're my friend. How did you know that I really want to do that?
Because I know you.
இன்னைக்கு யாரோ தானே திண்டாடுறேனே மனே போன்னு விட்டுட்டேனே
Because you live in a fantasy land, always running away to new places, new friends, new connections. What I want is a stable, loving relationship. I think this is our last trip together.